Gravlax. Gravlax. So we have some nice salmon here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the skin off the salmon. We're going to take this salt and sugar mixture. This is just equal parts brown sugar and coarse salt. We're going to give that a good mix up. We're going to clean these guys up. They don't look too bad, they're fairly trimmed. What I like to do is just take a bit of the belly, just down to the skin. It's going to give you something to hold on to when you start to take the skin off. So you turn your knife once you get flush. Turn your knife, keep pressure downward. And just slowly make your way across. Keep pulling tension on this side. Pull the skin tight, it's going to make it easier. You're going to get a nice piece of fish. Nice smooth side, minimal waste, important. I'm just going to give this salmon a little rinse. We're going to make sure there's no scales. So there's no bones stuck in the back or anything. You can feel across here for bones. These ones are good. Once you've rinsed it, let it drip. You want to dry it off.
The Gravlax, it's important that you dry it. Dry. Leave it in the paper towel for a few minutes if you want. And over the top. Leave this on the cutting board.
So this is a quarter cup brown sugar, a quarter cup of salt. I use kosher salt, the coarse stuff. It is the best one to use, especially for something like this. I'm doing this in a pan with saran wrap. You can do it in a sealed container. That's a little bit more ideal. But there's lots of different ways to do it. So you're going to do one even coat on the bottom of your pan.
Take your dried off fish. Put it skin side down, right on top of it. Take the rest of the salt and the sugar mixture. Just gonna make a nice crust on top of this. Make sure you coat as much of it as you can. Pick it up from the pan, spread it on the sides of the fish. You want to make sure that you do this in a pan that has ridges on the sides, because it is going to pull a lot of moisture out of the fish, having this much salt, and you are going to have liquid in here.
So we're going to take our nicely wrapped up salmon. She clears shelf off in your fridge. We are just going to leave that in there. It is 8:30 a.m. I put this in at 3 o'clock yesterday with the salt and the cure, so it's been about 17 hours. You can feel that it's firmed up a lot on both sides. I flipped it just before I went to bed at about 10:30. We're going to give it a rinse with some really, really cold water, and then we're going to slice it up and see how it turned out.
So we're 17 hours in. Really rinse off well. Usually you can do 36 hours and press this. But these are small pieces, so with a shorter cure on them. And also can have stuff to press them down. So give them a good rinse. And dry them off. So we're going to slice them up. Gravlax.
Like the video, make sure you subscribe. Van Life Chef, we're going to be having weekly videos coming out for you. All nice, simple, healthy, awesome, quick, delicious recipes. Stay tuned. There's lots more to come.